Hello guys, today I will reviewing this X-Shop GPS drone. I just received this drone today and I am unboxing it. As a first-time drone enthusiast, I recently got my hands on the X-Shop GPS drone with 4K camera and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience. The drone comes in a convenient carrying case, making it perfect for transport. Inside, now the drone weighing less than 249 g. A controller, extra propellers and chargers, user manual, two rechargeable batteries. The compact and lightweight design immediately caught my attention. The construction quality impressed me with its durability despite its lightweight design. The foldable arms make it highly portable, and the included carrying case provides excellent protection during transport. The drone features a UHD camera with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and 90-degree adjustable support. The brushless motors not only contribute to flight stability but also ensure reliable performance over time. For its price point, this drone offers exceptional value. It strikes an excellent balance between features, performance, and affordability. As a solid entry-level option for those interested in aerial photography, it provides all the essential features without overwhelming complexity. The UHD 4K camera with 110 degrees wide-angle lens are perfect for better footages. The camera support is 90 degrees adjustable. The combination of these features and build quality makes it particularly suitable for both beginners and more experienced pilots, offering a balance of durability, functionality, and user-friendly operation. Now let's go outside with me. The drone's flight performance is remarkably stable, thanks to its brushless motors. Even in light wind conditions, it maintains impressive stability. The hover function works exceptionally well, and the drone responds promptly to controller inputs. I found the control range to be solid with no connectivity issues. One of the standout features is the impressive battery performance. With two rechargeable batteries included, I get up to 50 minutes of total flight time. This extended flight duration allows me to capture more footage and practice my flying skills without frequent interruptions. After spending considerable time with the X-Shop GPS drone, I can confidently say it's an excellent choice for beginners and hobby photographers. The combination of stable flight performance, impressive camera quality, and user-friendly features makes it a worthwhile investment. While it may not compete with professional-grade drones, it certainly exceeds expectations for its price range and serves as an excellent introduction to the world of aerial photography.